Takeru Satoh is a Japanese actor. He was born on 21st March 1989 in Iwatsuki-ku, Saitama. He has a younger sister. His parents divorced when he was in middle school. He played baseball during primary and middle school years and has a black belt in Shorinji Kempo. He is best known for his leading role as Ryotaro Nogami in the Kamen Rider Den-O franchise and as Himura Kenshin in the live-action Rurouni Kenshin film and its sequels. Satoh briefly worked as a child actor for 3 or 4 years, appearing in commercials and magazine photo shoots. He graduated from Koshigaya Kita High School, Saitama in 2007. In 2018, it was announced that the Rurouni Kenshin series will get 2 further installments, a prequel and a sequel to the original trilogy, with Satoh reprising his lead role. Principal filming wrapped in June 2019 and the movies will be screened in 2020. In 2018, he starred in 2 award-winning television series NHK Asadora Hanban, Aoi and TVS series Blues of Stepmother and Daughter. In the same year, he reprised the role of Ryotaro Nogami in the last Kamen Rider movie of the Heisei period. He made his TV return with the acclaimed TBS series The Emperor's Cook in early 2015. He followed up with 3 Toho Corporation films in 2015 and 2016, including the manga live adaptation Bakuman and light novel adaptation If Cats Disappeared from the World, as well as Somebody. His role in the 2017 film The 8-Year Engagement earned him a nomination for Best Actor at the 41st Japan Academy Prize. In 2014, Satoh played the role of a rookie detective in Fuji TV's Bitter Blood. He reprised the role of Himura Kenshin in 2 sequel films of Rurouni Kenshin live-action franchise, Kyoto Inferno and The Legend Ends, both of which were released in 2014. On 28 June 2011, he was confirmed to star as Himura Kenshin in a live-action film adaptation of the manga series Rurouni Kenshin. Satoh reprised his role as Ryotaro in the 3rd film of Kamen Rider Den-O in October 2008. He also starred in the drama Bloody Monday, based on the manga with the same name. In 2010, he played Okoda Izo in his first Teiga drama Royal Maiden and landed his first leading role on primetime television with teen drama Q10. His role in the anime series Mei-chan no Shitsuji earned him a 2009 Television Drama Academy Award. Satoh reprised his role as Ryotaro in the 3rd film of Kamen Rider Den-O in October 2008. He also starred in the drama Bloody Monday, based on the manga with the same name.